Ltd, and today I'm going to share with you another delicious, nutritious recipe from the broccoli. If you are having trouble getting your children to eat their vegetables, especially the broccoli, this is the recipe for you. The taste is top tier. All children love it. So now let's go over the ingredients for broccoli salad. We have 2 broccoli crowns. We're going to use the entire broccoli, the florets and the stalk. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Half a cup of raisins, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, 1 hard-boiled egg, about 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. If we need more, we'll just adjust it as we go along. Half of a small onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, all vegetables are best when they're used raw, but the broccoli could be kind of hard, so I use a method called the blanch and chop method to soften the broccoli so it's not cooked completely. So I'll show you how we do that now. So we're going to cut the florets off individually. We don't want to disturb the crowns. I love to see that beautiful crown, so we're going to cut the florets off individually. Once we would have done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the stalk in some really small pieces because no piece of this broccoli will be left behind. We're going to use the florets and we're going to use the stalk. And we want to make sure that our florets are bite-sized pieces, so we're going to turn them over and we're going to cut them in half to make sure they're nice and dainty. We're going to use the method blanch and chop to soften our broccolis. So I'm going to start with the broccoli stalks first to some boiling salted water. We're going to add the broccoli stalks because they're a little tougher to cook, so we put them in first. Then we're going to add our broccoli florets. We'll allow them to soften or to cook or to blanch for exactly 2 minutes. This allows the broccoli to become soft and the color becomes nice bright green. Once they've cooked for 2 minutes, we're going to remove them from the water. We're going to put them straight into our ice bath, which will shock them and stop the cooking method right away. Then we'll go on to make our salad. Now that our broccoli has cooled and it's still that bright beautiful color, we're going to fish all of our broccoli florets and the stalks out of our ice bath, put them in a separate bowl. Then we're going to drain them onto some paper towel to make sure our broccoli is nice and dry before we go ahead and mix our salad. Our salad is almost done. Our broccoli is fully prepared, blanched, chopped, dried, prepped. Now all we have to do is to add the other ingredients to make this amazing salad. Salad is done. It looks gorgeous. Look at those beautiful colors. The pop of green, by blanching it, the color just completely brightens. And it's not too soft because we didn't allow it to cook till it became mushy, and it's not too hard, so it's a nice firm bite. Children will absolutely love it. Now it's time to taste. Delicious. and absolutely nutritious. Now if you wanted, you could add a bit more black pepper just to spice it up a bit, but that is totally optional. Broccoli salad, now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this broccoli salad recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other salad recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.